hey there, Marie Greene from Olive Knits here, and for today's Knitting Rescue 911, we're talking about carrying colors up the side of your work when you're knitting with multiple colors. Now, I tackle a few different topics related to carrying colors, so make sure to check the notes below this video to see the other videos in case those might help you as well in your knitting journey. But for this one, we're just going to talk actually just about carrying the colors themselves and how to do that. I get so many questions about working with multiple colors because it really can create a little bit of confusion because you want great results and you don't want a lot of extra hassle because the more colors you use, potentially the more ends you're going to have to weave in. So this particular swatch has 3 colors, so obviously I'm carrying 3 colors as I go. And I want to show you, you can kind of see it more easily here on the back side. See how the colors just twist almost like a barber pole up that side. They're nice and relaxed, so they're not tugging the fabric. If you're making those twists of color along the side and they're really tight, they might sort of create some extra tension that you don't want along that edge. So keeping them relaxed enough that they don't pull tight, but you want them to also stay in place. So it's one of those not too loose, not too tight things, which is so common in knitting. But in order to achieve that, when I start a new color, I always twist my colors the same way. So I always grab the next color and bring it around behind the other colors, and then I work with that color. And then when it's time for the next color, I bring it up around the back and then work with that color. And then when it's time for the next color, I bring it up around the back and then I work with that color. And I do that the entire time that I'm working with multiple colors, and that's how I get this nice little, sort of lightly twisted barber pole along this edge. Now, the alternative is you can cut between every single color change, but then that's a lot of ends to weave in. And in another one of our Knitting Rescue 911 videos, I talk about how to decide when you should be cutting and when it's okay to go ahead and carry those colors. So make sure you check out that video. But that is how you carry colors up the side. And it's really a simple process. And it's one that kind of prevents a lot of unnecessary weaving of ends. If you don't want to have to do that, then carrying colors up the side is a really good option. If you love learning new knitting tips and tricks, make sure to follow me here on YouTube so you will be the first to know about new videos.